Today's an update video on these wonderful little solar clamps and if they were actually a good idea. Now, a while back I installed a new solar array on top of my RV using aluminum Unistrut and also these little clamps. The Unistrut isn't anything new, people have been using that for years, but because of these clamps it allows you to make it a pretty universal setup. I can pretty much put any solar panel I want up here because I'm not conforming to the solar panel size. So this allows me to kind of pick and choose and arrange my setup differently because these simply slide into the Unistrut. You can slide it back and forth, move the solar panel side to side on the Unistrut, and then simply clamp these down. And then boom, your solar setup is real quick and not to mention super easy. And I'll leave a link down below of the video of the full install. That way, in case you want to see a few more tips and tricks on it, you can do that. One of the concerns I had is that were these clamps going to be able to handle the vibrations going down the road? And so far, I happen to be in Quartzsite, Arizona, actually shooting this video at the moment. So I'm doing my inspections and so far, not one of them have come loose and I haven't seen any damage to the solar panels themselves. I was actually looking at putting on Loctite just in case these were to wiggle loose, but every time I checked all the solar panels and the clamps, so far even the mid clamps, they've all held up really well. Now sure, I've only got about 1,000 miles on this trailer since the install, so it's not a whole lot of information yet, but at least with that, I am pretty confident that these shouldn't really go anywhere. Now, if you feel like you're going to use these things, and maybe you think the lock washer and the washer isn't enough, then you may want to still go ahead and utilize some blue Loctite just in case. Now, so far I've been very happy with the performance and also just not to mention the install when it came to using these. Right now, it's actually still winter and I'm able to produce over 1,900 watts of solar even with it low in the sky. These new CalSun 200 watt solar panels that are bifacial, so far this is my first test with them and they're actually performing very well considering it is still winter time, and again with the sun being lower in the sky, you don't get a whole lot of good angles when it comes to RV solar. It's pretty much flat. You can do the tilt systems if you want. You can also put portable solar panels on the ground, which does give you more flexibility, especially when it is the winter time. But so far these clamps definitely made the solar install super quick and made it super easy, and these are not very expensive at all. Okay, so that's it. All I wanted to do was give you guys an update on how well those are holding up. And if you guys have any questions, make sure to drop them down below. I'll leave information of everything that you saw on top of the RV today. Other than that, I hope this video helped you out, and I hope to see you in another one.